Here is a super interesting integral question. Which integral equals this jazz here? So integration is not just about integration techniques, doing integration by parts, doing substitution. Sometimes they throw in a little bit of a curveball, not necessarily too hard, but anyway. If you're wondering how hard it is to pass a university level integral calculus course, well, I'm going through an entire exam. I'm Sheldon. I used to grade these exams. Now I show you how to ace them. So this one we have 23 questions, no calculators, 3 hours total. This is a modified exam from 2016. So this is for Math 141 at McGill, but this will apply for any undergrad course in integral calculus, so the course after derivative calculus. Let's get back to this question. So 0 to pi over 2, this. A lot of nice interesting options here. I think we might need to think about this. Okay, the integral is this. Yes, the argument of f is sine x. Right, so the thing we're plugging into the f function is sine, okay? So the natural substitution is u equals sine x. Fair enough. If we do that, let's prep things. We got to take du and get cosine x. We could solve for dx, sure. And then we have a little note. Since x is in the interval from 0 to pi over 2 in the integral, cosine will always be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so we can write this. We don't have to write plus or minus here. We can just take the positive one. Okay, and then dx becomes du over all this stuff here. Right, because we're doing substitution. We have to solve for dx, all in terms of u, right? We need the limits of the integration changed as well. So when x is 0, what was u? Well, we have a substitution here. We just plug in x equals 0 into our substitution. Same thing for x equals pi over 2. And now we can rewrite this. Our 0 stayed 0. Our pi over 2 is 1. It's f of u times dx. This is what dx was. And then if we just reorganize a little bit, we get this. That was one of the options. Perfect. That was B here. It's kind of a tricky question. That's why you have to study exam questions now, today. Don't leave it for a week before, because then you're going to start dealing with these and getting stressed with these hard questions that you've never seen before, and you're going to think you're so far behind, but you're not. You can see this entire exam. Go to Pretty Good Prep if you want to see it.